So some fun changes are coming to Twitch Emotes, and last week Twitch announced that they're actually going to be bringing to the platform Twitch Animated Emotes. And if you missed it, I just want to give you the lowdown on what it is, when you can expect it, and how they work real quick. So let's go over it. All right, so what are Twitch Animated Emotes? Well, it kind of breaks down into two categories. Creators will be able to upload custom GIFs to animated slots, or creators will easily add one of the 6 animations at launch to any of their pre-existing static emotes that they already have in their channel. When Twitch Animated Emotes launch, you will have access to 6 different animations. There is shake, rave, roll, spin, slide in, and slide out. So how do Twitch Animated Emotes even work? Well, if you're a Twitch partner, you'll have 5 additional slots to add animated emotes as a benefit for Tier 1 subscribers. Twitch affiliates, no number listed here just yet. Now, Twitch Animated Emotes upload the same way as regular static emotes, where you go through your emote page, which is under your channel in your creative dashboard. But I want you to take notice there are some additional specifications and requirements you have to follow if you plan on using Twitch Animated Emotes. So pause the video right here because I'm going to put a graphic up on screen for you to take a look at. If you don't plan on using custom GIFs or getting any made, you can add animations, like we said, to your pre-existing emotes, which will be under your use existing emotes, and you just go down to the animate emote section and pick from the default 6. I'm sure there will probably be more in the future, but you only get the 6 that we mentioned prior in the video. Another thing I want to mention on how Twitch emotes work is you can actually turn this feature off. If you're a sensitive reader or you get distracted, like me, you can actually go into your chat settings and turn this feature off. So make that a good note for you if you get a little distracted with what goes on your screen. So when does this become available for Twitch streamers? Well, if you're a Twitch partner, you'll be getting it first. As per Twitch, they said they'll be rolling it out within the next few weeks to Twitch partners, and to Twitch affiliates, we can expect it by the end of 2021. When it comes to Twitch affiliates and how many animated emote slots they will get, Twitch doesn't say. If I had to take a guess, I assume Twitch affiliates will get at least 1, but I wouldn't say more than 3, because generally Twitch affiliates get usually half what Twitch partners kind of get. But hey, that's still a win in my book. If you plan on using Twitch Animated Emotes and you're a Twitch partner that watches this channel, first of all, thank you very much. I appreciate it. I would recommend starting sooner than later on getting custom ones made. Twitch affiliates should probably wait a little bit to see how many slots we're gonna get so you know what to commission out, but partners know they're getting at least 5. And if you are gonna use Twitch Animated Emotes, I recommend using an animated artist that you can trust, which is why I would recommend you use Fiverr, where you can work one-on-one with an artist who knows how to do animation and Twitch emotes, so that way you can get whatever in your head out onto your channel that's gonna look amazing. Doing you all a favor, and I actually have a link down below because I'm a Fiverr affiliate. If you click through that link, you help support my channel, and next to that link is a coupon code that'll save you money. That's just a little gift from me to you. So I'm glad we can help each other out. Now, I'm really genuinely curious. Are you excited about Twitch Animated Emotes? I am, because I want to see all the unique ways people use them in their channel. I think it's going to be really cool to make it stand out, plus have a little fun. But let me know in the comments down below. But until next time, I got another little secret and sharing fact that I'm going to share with you that Twitch also shared that you may have missed coming out in my next video. So hit that subscribe button, and I will see all of you people later. Take care, and of course, peace!